Okay, so if you've been thinking about learning German and you have no idea where to start, you're definitely not the only one. A lot of people feel the same way. You don't just want to memorize random words or grammar rules, you want to actually be able to speak it. And so that's where language learning apps like Pimsleur and Babbel come in. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. I'll show you some really easy steps to start learning German in a way that actually sticks. I'll also walk you through Pimsleur and Babbel, because they're both super helpful, but they do things a little differently, and so I'll go over how each one works, what I personally like about them, and which one might be the better fit for you. And if you want to check them out, I've got links in the description where you can get a discount that you won't get by just going directly to their website. Alright, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with Pimsleur, which is a language app that makes learning on your own super simple. It's actually been around for over 50 years and is built around an audio-based method that focuses on real conversations and practical phrases that you'll actually use. It was created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, a linguist who believed learning a language should be simple and accessible. And while it originally started with cassette tapes, today Pimsleur offers lessons in over 50 languages through their app and website, and they've even added cool features like AI-powered pronunciation tools to help you sound more natural when speaking. Now, if you want to get started with Pimsleur for German, you're going to want to go ahead and download the Pimsleur app or sign up on their website. Once you choose German, you'll get access to a full set of 30-minute audio lessons that you can listen to right from your phone, tablet, or computer, so it's super easy to fit into your day, even if you're on the go. And every lesson starts with a short conversation in German, and then it walks you through everything step by step. You'll hear the words, repeat them out loud, and slowly build up your confidence to actually speak in full sentences. What's nice about it is that it focuses on real conversations, not random lists of words or grammar drills. You're learning how to say things that you'd actually use, like introducing yourself, asking for directions, ordering food, and other stuff as well. And since it's all audio, you can use it while walking, commuting, cooking, or whatever you're doing. The lessons are designed to repeat key phrases just when you're about to forget them, so you remember them naturally without feeling like you're cramming, because no one wants to feel like they're studying for a huge exam. And little by little, you build up your speaking skills without it feeling overwhelming. But if you're wondering how long it takes to see results with Pimsleur, they say most people can start holding simple conversations within just a few weeks. For more advanced conversations, though, it usually takes a few months of consistent practice. What definitely helps is that you start noticing small wins pretty quickly, which makes it way easier to stay motivated. I've used Pimsleur myself, and one thing I really liked is how the app repeats words and phrases right when you're about to forget them. At first, I didn't think much of it, but after a while I found myself remembering things naturally. Like the phrases would just pop up into my head when I needed them, without having to constantly review or overthink it. That's something I really appreciated about the method, and it's something a lot of people mention when they use it too. And besides the main lessons, Pimsleur also offers a few extra tools that can help you practice in between sessions. There are digital flashcards, which are great for building up your German vocabulary, and short quizzes that let you check how much you've picked up on, without it feeling like a formal test. The app also includes a pronunciation coach. It listens to how you say the words and gives you feedback right away, which helps a lot of learners feel more confident speaking out loud. It's almost like having a mini tutor with you as you go. Another useful feature is the ability to download the lessons and listen to them offline. So whether you're traveling, commuting, or just need it in an area with poor service, you can keep learning without having to worry about Wi-Fi or using up your mobile data, which is actually a huge help if you ever get stuck without service. It's a small detail, but it makes it a lot easier to stay consistent with your practice. But just like any language program, Pimsleur isn't perfect. It's very focused on audio, which is great for improving speaking and listening skills, but it doesn't offer much in terms of reading, writing, or detailed grammar explanations. So if you're someone who prefers learning visually or likes to see the rules laid out, you might find it a little limited in that area. Pimsleur also relies heavily on spaced repetition to help words and phrases stick, which is really effective for most learners, but some people do mention that it can feel a bit repetitive at times, especially in the beginning when you're going over the same phrases more than once. That said, the repetition is intentional and often leads to better long-term recall when you actually start using the language in real-life conversations. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it all cost? So in terms of pricing, Pimsleur gives you a free lesson to try it out first, which is a nice way to see if it's a good fit for you without spending anything. If you're learning just one language, you can get lifetime access for around $150, which includes all 30 lessons and premium features. Or if you want access to all 51 languages, they have an all-access plan for about $21 a month, or less if you choose a longer plan. Plus, everything comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out risk-free. And again, if at this point you're considering trying Pimsleur out, I'll include a discounted link in the description down below that'll get you a better deal that you wouldn't find directly on their website. Next up, we have Babbel, another language learning app which has been around since 2007 and was made to help people learn a new language on their own in a way that actually makes sense. The app covers reading, writing, listening, and speaking, and the lessons are laid out in a way that's easy to follow. They offer 14 different languages, including German, and the cool thing is, the courses are built based on your native language, which makes everything feel a bit more personalized. That said, not every language is available, so you'll want to double check that before signing up. And just so you know, everything is designed by actual language experts, not AI or some random generator, so you can tell that they've really put thought into how the lessons are built. Now, in terms of the way it works, you're going to want to sign up, pick a plan, in this case German, and download the Babbel app, which works on phones, tablets, and computers. It's super easy to get started, and it's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Then, Babbel asks you a few quick questions to figure out your skill level, and adjust the lessons to match, which makes the experience feel way more personalized, so that it can match the lessons to your level. Also, the lessons are short, usually around 10 to 15 minutes each, which makes it easy to fit into your day. And if you stay consistent, you can pick up basic words in German in about 4 weeks. But for fluency, it usually takes a few months of steady practice, but of course, it depends on how much time and effort you put into it. Now, the lessons don't just teach you vocabulary, you actually learn how to use it in real conversations. I like that it focused on real situations like asking for directions, ordering food, or talking to a taxi driver. I mean, I know I always feel amazing when I don't have to rely on Google Translate and people actually understand me. Besides that, Babbel is also great if you're learning for work. They have lessons for introducing yourself in meetings, giving presentations, and even writing out emails. Another cool tool I found really helpful was the review system. It uses spaced repetition to remind you to practice words right before you're about to forget them. They also offer live classes with real teachers, either in small groups or one-on-one. It costs extra, around $100 to $150 per month, depending on the plan that you choose, but it's really a great way to practice real conversations and get actual feedback. I haven't personally tried it yet, but a lot of users say it really helped build their confidence. Lastly, Babbel speech recognition gives you feedback right away so that you can improve, so those words that might take you a few tries to get the hang of it will make you a lot more confident over time. However, while Babbel is a great tool for learning a new language, it's not perfect. Some lessons can feel a little repetitive since they use a lot of repetition to help you lock things into the long-term memory. At first, you might not like going over the same phrases a lot, but honestly, it ends up helping you remember things in the long run. Another thing to keep in mind is the voice recognition feature. It's super helpful for practicing pronunciation, but sometimes it might not pick up on what you're actually saying, even though you got it right. But that happens very rarely. It's not a big deal, and overall, it definitely helps improve with some tough words. That being said, Babbel offers a few subscription options, and whichever one you choose, you'll get access to every language that they offer, including German. If you're just getting started, the 1-month plan costs around $18. If you're ready to commit a little longer, the 3- and 6-month plans lower the price to about $15 and $13 per month. The 12-month plan offers the best value at around $9 a month. And if you're serious about learning multiple languages, Babbel also has a lifetime plan for a one-time payment of about $300, giving you access to all languages forever. No renewals needed. Plus, every plan comes with a 20-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free and cancel it if it's not for you. And of course, if at any point you decide to give Babbel a try, you can check out the affiliate link in the description down below, where you can get a better deal than going directly to their website. Alright, so just to quickly wrap it up, I think both Pimsleur and Babbel are great options for learning German, but they work in different ways. If you learn best by listening and speaking, Pimsleur is definitely one to try. It's great for building confidence with pronunciation and conversations. But if you want to also focus on reading, writing, and grammar, or just prefer quick interactive lessons that can fit into your day, then Babbel might be the better choice. And of course, if you're thinking about giving either one a try, I've left special discounted affiliate links in the description down below. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've tried either Babbel or Pimsleur, or you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.